Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you one of my favorite tea snacks, which is popcorn chicken. This recipe is very simple and quick. Let's get started. I will be using chicken thigh because the meat is juicier, but you can substitute it with chicken breast if you like. I cut the meat into cubes. Around this size is good. Put the chicken thigh into a bowl, then add in 1 egg to coat the chicken. To season the popcorn chicken, I will be using 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon white wine, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, a quarter teaspoon 5-spice powder, half teaspoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon oyster sauce. Mix all the ingredients together till well combined. Set it aside for 30 minutes or more. Next, let's prepare the popcorn chicken spice. Add in 1 tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon 5-spice powder, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 tablespoon cayenne pepper. This is optional if you don't like spicy. Mix all the ingredients together, then it is done. Since I'm making Taiwanese style popcorn chicken, we will need to deep fry some basil. We only need the basil leaves, so remove the leaves from the stem. To begin frying, preheat the oil to 220 degrees Fahrenheit. Add in the basil leaves. I like to fry it at a low temperature so the hot oil will have a basil aroma. Frying them for about 30 seconds will be enough. To fry the chicken, submerge the chicken thigh in the tapioca starch. Then add it in the 350 degrees Fahrenheit hot oil and fry it for 5 minutes. Make sure you use coarse tapioca starch. This is the secret to making popcorn chicken extra crispy. After 5 minutes, take the popcorn chicken out and put them in a colander to rest for 5 minutes. Now increase the oil temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and double fry the popcorn chickens and basil leaves. It should only take about 1 to 2 minutes. Place the popcorn chicken into the mixing bowl, add in popcorn chicken spice, and we're done. I made popcorn chicken and homemade boba milk tea. This is my favorite combo. What do you like to drink with popcorn chicken? I hope you enjoyed today's video and see you next week. Bye!